This is YFHAB001B, 1D, and 1H. Now it comes in 3 different dial colors. And the reason why I flipped this on the reverse side and I've taken out a link is because I really want to show you the reverse exhibition case back of this watch, which is one of the best that Orient has ever made for one of their watches. Now before we go into that, I want to explain to you how this Orient star differs from the rest of our Orient collection. First of all, Orient star uses 4 industrial motifs for their designs. This happens to be a 1950s car. You'll notice that even the font used just over here, right, for the Orient star, as well as the power reserve, and even the second hand down the sub-dial down over there, is that they use very classic racing fonts. Index is also lines with a semi-skeleton design. Now, right over here, take a look once again at the case back. I really love how it looks like a windshield. Let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and show you the remainder of this watch. Now, as I said, there was 3 dial colors. You didn't see the black, and this is how it lies on the wrist. You'll notice that it has a beautiful case design. Just one of the best that I've seen Orient has made. With the, of course, and then take a look at this band. It's got those, what I call the racing stripes. These are the combination of matte and finished links. And the clasp is a fold over with a 2-button deployment. So this is YFHAB001B, 1D, and 1H.